The Biofactory Competence Center is a competence center in biotechnology of the engineering school in Fribourg. We are located at Bluefactory, and our expertise is mainly in the development, the optimization and the scale-up of biotechnological production processes. Our activities are essentially in the biopharmaceutical area, with most of our engineers coming directly from industry. And we are also active in the food industry. We are essentially active in upstream and downstream processing, so in cell culture and protein purification. We are essentially active in the biopharmaceutical area for the design and the optimization of production processes for pharma industry. And we have also projects where we have several academic partners involved in a project together with industry partners.
I'm Eva Maria Ballet. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Regenosca. And at Regenosca, we are the creators of TissueSpan. So TissueSpan is a next generation implant to enable your body to heal itself. And we conducted a first-in-human trial with 5 patients. We observed and followed the patients for 2 years, and all the patients are very happy about the treatment. And for us, the most important, beside the happy patient, is that there were 0 adverse events towards our implant and that we could really observe this perfect tissue healing inside the human body. We have been collaborating with BCC since 2024. The work we're doing here at BCC is mainly on process optimization, process scale-up, and also manufacturing. So all the manufacturing for preclinical activities can be done here at BCC. So just to give an example, for example, when we started here, we produced 1 implant after the other, and thanks to the collaboration, we can now produce 30 implants in 1 batch.
I am Gregory Resch. I am founder and current head of the Laboratory of Bacteriophages and Phage Therapy, and we are developing bacteriophages to give them to patients. Bacteriophages are very specific bacterial viruses. They can kill, some of them can kill bacterial strains that became resistant to antibiotics, and this is why they are very interesting to fight against antibacterial resistance. We got in June 2023 the authorization from Swissmedic to produce therapeutic phages in GMP, so good manufacturing practices. The CHUV as the first academic institution in the world to have such an authorization. So the BCC is helping us to optimize the production of the phages in GMP. They can improve some steps with all the tools they have here, and also we think about lyophilization of the phages to increase the half-life.
We have also other collaborations with companies. It can be small companies or larger companies. It can be in the form of a research mandate or of projects funded by InnoSuisse. Everything is really very close. So we have collaborations with startups that are located all around Switzerland. And since everything is quite close in Switzerland, that's definitely an advantage for us.